Do I have a personal injury case? I've been working with attorneys for 20 years, and that's a question that I hear all the time. Now, I'm going to give you the hard truth because most attorneys aren't going to be able to give it to you straight just because of professional courtesies that they have to have. There's really three main ingredients just to get started. Number one, were you injured? This sounds obvious, but there has to be some record. Usually, the day of the injury, it would be going to the hospital. Now, some injuries are more apparent than others. For example, a broken bone. Somebody's going to know right away if they have a broken bone. But if you were in a car accident and your spine was tweaked, you may not see that surface for days or even weeks. So there has to be some record of you going to the doctor and proving that whatever injury you have was sustained from that event. The second thing that you're going to need is someone who is at fault. So, was there another person that was at fault for this? Could be another driver, could be a company, it could be a product design or even street design that wasn't safe, that you can say the city was at fault or this person was at fault. And the third thing, and this is the sad truth, there has to be somebody with money to go after. So no matter how bad you were hurt, if you were hit by somebody that has no insurance, or if you were hurt by a company and are owed millions of dollars, but that company is only worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, no attorney on the planet can get you money for that. But a good attorney will turn over every rock to see who possibly could be negligent. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, let's just say that you're working on a construction site and you fall off of a ladder. Well, there could be a couple people that are responsible for that. Did you have the proper safety equipment? That could be the construction company itself. Was the ladder that you were on constructed properly, or was the ladder defective? Or on that same construction site, there could be some heavy machinery that is supplied by a third party company that didn't keep that machinery up to date, and you were injured because of something that didn't do. So there are a ton of nuances to a personal injury case. The key is to find somebody who has very specific experience in the type of injury that you sustained. They are going to know the rocks to uncover, and they're going to know the experts to call. They're going to know whether or not you have a case after doing thorough research. Not every personal injury attorney is the same. There are some that have expertise in specific areas, like construction accidents or trucking accidents. Those are all vastly different. If you need help getting connected with an attorney, we'll find somebody in your city or state that can handle your specific lawsuit.